Hello YouTube, doing a little product demonstration and review today on the Gator 4.5-inch stripping wheel. Gonna add a little commentary in here too. This stripping wheel cost approximately $10. I purchased this from Lowe's. I'm sure you can pick it up a number of other places as well. It installs just like your standard grinding wheel on a 4.5-inch grinder. One exception is you can't use the wrench. And you'll see that here shortly, where you basically the wrench does not fit in there. The stripping wheel is quite a bit thicker than most grinding wheels are. So I just kind of hit the little lock mechanism and snug it down, and it's good and tight. I'll actually show you here in a moment an attempt to use the wrench. But first I've got to put some hearing protection in. I've also got safety glasses on as well. Those are the two absolute musts for grinding. Eye protection, hearing protection. In any case, here's me showing you the wrench doesn't fit. That's all right. Like I said, you just snug that down good and tight by hand, and that thing isn't going anywhere. And here we go. We're gonna start plugging it in and show you the back of my head. And from there, we're going to kick this thing off. So as you can see, a lot of stuff flying off there, rust and metal and paint, all that stuff. You want to keep that out of your eyes. I've actually gotten piece of debris from a grinder in my eye before, and that was actually wearing safety glasses. It went through the side of it, and that was no fun. So I highly recommend safety glasses. Speeding this up. The overall process took about 20 minutes. I sped this up, saving you about 16 or 17 minutes of grinding. As we go through, you'll see a few little dark spots remaining. There's little pits, and there's actually some stamping in the material as well. Some just little manufacturing imperfections, if you will. Can't really get into everything, but overall, this thing actually works really well. I recently used a Harbor Freight stripping wheel, which it worked just fine. I think the Gator actually works a little bit better. It seemed to go by quicker, and you'll see at the end of the video quite a bit of material left on the Gator. Gator cost about $10. The Harbor Freight wheel cost about $5 or $6. I think the Harbor Freight one probably lasted about a fraction as long as the Gator will last. Plus, there's the added benefit, the brand, the higher quality brand, is probably not going to fly apart on you like the generics might. You can pick up bulk, the grinding wheels in bulk on Amazon. Those are really generic names. Again, no telling if they're going to hold up for you or not. But this thing, again, it makes really quick work of all the material that I'm trying to remove. I'm going to end up ultimately refinishing these with POR 1.5. Once this is all said and done, I will make another video capturing that process at a later date. These are bumper brackets, actually. They are going on my 75 Ford F100. It's actually factory bumpers. I should say they're factory brackets for the factory bumper that I'm having refinished. And you'll see that on another video as well at a later date. As you can see here, quick work, made it nice and easy. A lot quicker than any kind of chemical or other mechanical means of removal. So I would highly recommend this product if you're doing a similar type of job. And it takes care of the metal too. doesn't dig into the metal. You don't remove any excess material or anything like that. So overall, really happy with that. And you could see quite a bit of material left on the stripping wheel when I was done. So I can do quite a bit more with that. So highly recommend, worth a few extra dollars to get the Gator. And I appreciate you watching. Have a nice day.